How to fix fonts and text messages in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear messages cache. Again open settings. Scroll down. Click on apps. Click on three lines. Turn on this button. Click on OK. Search messages. Click on messages. Scroll down. Click on storage. Here you will see clear cache. And if you want to messages clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, messages clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, check network. Again open settings. Click on connections. Click on Wi-Fi. Turn on or turn off Wi-Fi. Now go back. Click on data usage. Turn on or turn off mobile data. Now turn on mobile data. After turning on mobile data, access the internet through your mobile network. Now go back. After that, software update. Click on settings. Scroll down. Click on software update. Click on download and install. Here you will see update option. And if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Again open settings. Scroll down. Click on general management. Click on reset. Click on reset mobile network settings. Click on reset settings. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix fonts and text messages in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.